Embark on a journey through evolving ecosystems with top 10 tech trends shaping industries. In this insightful guide, we'll explore the transformative technologies influencing diverse sectors. Join us as we uncover the latest trends from artificial intelligence to blockchain, revolutionizing how businesses operate. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a professional navigating the digital landscape, get ready to discover the top trends shaping industries in this dynamic era. It's time to stay ahead of the curve and understand the innovations driving the future of technology and business. Today, we will talk about evolving ecosystems, the top 10 tech trends shaping industries. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In the dynamic landscape of technology, the constant evolution of trends plays a pivotal role in shaping industries across the globe. From artificial intelligence and blockchain to the Internet of Things, IoT, and sustainability-driven innovations, technological trends are catalysts for transformative change. This comprehensive exploration delves into the top 10 tech trends that are currently shaping industries, driving innovation, and redefining the way businesses operate. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. ML, intelligent automation. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are at the forefront of technological evolution. AI's ability to mimic human intelligence and ML's capability to learn and adapt empower industries to automate processes, analyze vast datasets, and derive valuable insights. From predictive analytics in finance to personalized recommendations in e-commerce, AI and ML are transforming industries by enhancing efficiency, decision-making, and customer experiences. 2.5G technology, enabling hyperconnectivity. The advent of 5G technology is revolutionizing connectivity by offering unprecedented data speeds, ultra-low latency, and massive device connectivity. This trend is shaping industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and smart cities. The ability to transmit large amounts of data in real time opens avenues for innovations like remote surgery, autonomous vehicles, and the widespread implementation of IoT devices, leading to more interconnected and efficient ecosystems. 3. Blockchain and decentralization, transforming trust and transactions. Blockchain, the distributed ledger technology, is disrupting traditional models by decentralizing trust and transactions. Industries like finance, supply chain, and healthcare are leveraging blockchain for secure, transparent, and tamper-resistant record-keeping. Smart contracts and decentralized finance, DeFi, applications are reshaping the financial landscape, providing efficient and inclusive alternatives to traditional banking. 4. Internet of Things, IoT, the rise of smart ecosystems. The Internet of Things, IoT, is creating intelligent, interconnected ecosystems where devices seamlessly communicate and share data. Industries are integrating IoT to optimize operations, enhance productivity, and offer innovative services, from smart homes and industrial IoT in manufacturing to precision agriculture. IoT is fostering a new era of efficiency and connectivity. 5. Cybersecurity and privacy, safeguarding digital assets. With the increasing reliance on digital technologies, cybersecurity has become paramount. The rise in cyber threats has led to a focus on robust cybersecurity measures across industries. From secure cloud computing to advanced encryption techniques, organizations are prioritizing the protection of digital assets and sensitive information, ensuring the trust and privacy of their stakeholders. 6. Edge computing, processing at the source. Edge computing brings computational power closer to the data source, reducing latency and optimizing data processing. Industries like healthcare, logistics, and autonomous vehicles benefit from real-time data analysis. Edge computing is reshaping how businesses harness and utilize data, enabling faster decision-making and enhancing the efficiency of applications that demand low-latency processing. 7. Sustainable technologies, greening the tech landscape. Sustainability is a driving force behind technological innovations. From renewable energy solutions to eco-friendly manufacturing practices, industries are increasingly adopting sustainable technologies. The integration of green practices not only aligns with environmental stewardship, but also responds to consumer demands for eco-conscious products and services. 8. Augmented reality, AAR, and virtual reality, VR, transforming experiences. AR and VR technologies are redefining user experiences across industries. From immersive training simulations in healthcare to virtual showrooms in retail, these technologies enhance engagement and interaction. Industries like gaming, education, and healthcare are leveraging AR and VR to create realistic and interactive environments, revolutionizing the way users perceive and interact with digital content. 9. Biotechnology and precision medicine. Personalizing healthcare. Advancements in biotechnology, coupled with precision medicine, are transforming healthcare by tailoring treatments to individual patients. From genetic therapies to personalized cancer treatments, these technologies are revolutionizing the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. 10. Robotics and automation. Redefining work environments. Robotics and automation are reshaping industries by augmenting human capabilities and automating repetitive tasks. From manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and customer service, robots are enhancing efficiency and productivity. Collaborative robots working alongside humans, advanced robotic process automation, RPA, and autonomous vehicles are at the forefront of this transformative trend. Embracing these trends requires a strategic and forward-thinking approach. Industries that leverage these technologies effectively will not only stay competitive, but also lead in creating innovative solutions that address global challenges. However, it's essential to approach these advancements responsibly, considering ethical implications, privacy concerns, and the long-term sustainability of technological implementations. In conclusion, the evolving ecosystems driven by these tech trends herald a future where connectivity, intelligence, and sustainability converge to redefine industries across the globe. As organizations navigate this transformative journey, they have the opportunity not only to stay at the forefront of their respective sectors, but also to contribute to a technologically advanced and sustainable future. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.